It's snowing pretty solidly. It's Bree's and the kids' first time back to the camper in 6 weeks. They've not been out here to the homestead. I've been out here almost every day.
Am I being filmed?
Yeah.
I'm really looking forward to seeing the daffodils in the morning and the cows. And I want to get a good long look at the garden because I have a lot of plans for, I know we can't have a full garden this year, but I think what we can do is grow more of the things that we eat the most of. I know what my garden layout is, but I need to go get an eye on it. And we've got to figure out those ducks and geese. Like what I figure is I need to be able to, anything we do this summer, this spring and summer and fall, I need to be able to do most of it by myself. Because you need to be able to be free to work on the house.
Yeah.
Because it's not like we have school in the summer. So I have that time every day to work in the garden. Yeah. That's what I was sitting here thinking about.
There's some cool stuff I want to show you in the morning. All right, good night, y'all. Snowed last night. Oh, I'm still waking up. Not a ton of snow, but
it was really pretty to watch it snow last night. Did you get to see it? It was so pretty. Are you guys happy to be home?
Yeah. Flexi!
I see the horse.
Well, a lot, because it feels like Christmas, because we haven't seen toys for a while. No!
Yeah. Reindeer, that's a reindeer.
It feels like we just got these toys. We don't have to.
He said it feels like Christmas. Yeah, the beauty of not playing with all your toys. We're actually just here. We'll be back to the camper for good, like really soon. But we are just here to go to some appointments in our town.
the family's up here. They're all up here, and it's really nice. Come on, lady. Come on, let's go. That's right.
Sorry, that was a little too rough for her.
Yeah. Going up to feed the ducks and geese in the garden here. Man, look at this place. Oh, it's so beautiful out here. I love it out here. Look at these mountains. It's nice being here. It's nice waking up next to my wife out here too. Got to get these geese some water real quick. I'll try to come back later and get them fresh water, but everything's frozen, so that's just a bucket from the house for now. Now it's time to let that little wild man who loves cows come see the house. Hey guy, do you want to see the cows? Come on. Excited? Let's go see our cows.
Mama, out now. Out now. Is that Alice? Yeah. Out now.
The cow's out. That's exactly right. We're gonna put her back in though.
No.
Are you done? I think you're done. Come on, let's go.
What's your walk? She's walking.
Dada.
You excited to be out here? Whoa, here, don't touch the fence.
Hey.
It's on.
Hot? Hot?
Yes.
You ready to go inside?
No. No.
I'm ready to go inside for a minute. I didn't even put my coat on. You have my coat on.
It's a really good coat to wear. I don't think she is, but.
No.
Oh, I want to go inside. I'm freezing cold.
No.
I literally stepped out here to throw them a tiny bit of hay.
Here. Put your hands in your pockets. And let's go inside. My hands are cold. Are your hands cold?
No.
Since she didn't have any friends aside from her dog, Orville, she would spend hours tinkering with things from the yard.
We've done our appointments, and now we're
Mama. Oh, stop. That's gross. Especially after a cow has already been in a cow's mouth.
Walk in there with that bucket. Okay. Get back. Stay back.
Good job, lady. Good job.
They've learned, they're pretty good about this whole thing here at the gate.
Yeah.
Because that bolt could get right through me if you wanted to.
Woo!
Yeah, that fence is hot. No, a steer. He's touched it with his nose. He should know better. All right, well, you're about to head out, aren't you?
Yeah. Wilder, can I show you something? Come here, let me show this to you. It's my favorite thing in the spring, though it's not really spring at all.
Daddy.
This is called a daffodil. You want to look at one?
Yeah. Daddy here. He's looking right.
He's playing a game. Yeah. He says, I don't know, and he says, daffodil here. This is called a crocus. You want to see it?
Oh, there's yellow ones too. I mean, they're freezing.
Yeah.
Why?
It is early.
Because it's been so warm.
Whoa, you pulled the whole bulb out. Can you replant it?
Replant the bulbs so they'll come
They'll come back next year.
That's what one flowers.
It is, because it tells us that spring is on the way.
You know, you
just have
came
a
back for the coldest, one of the coldest nights in the camper.
Well, the coldest nights in a while, but yeah.
I was happy to have you out here again. It won't be long, guys. We're not going to throw out exact times, but we all are going to be back out here on the homestead
Very soon.
quite soon.
And for all of those, there's just been a lot of positivity, saying good job for taking care of yourselves. And there's been some negativity. Everything's fine. Like, we are doing what we need to do to take care of our family. We're just staying somewhere else for a little while. Our animals are being cared for. Yeah, it's all about timing. And I think sometimes in this like instant gratification culture and HGTV culture, people expect this to be, our lives to be more like a TV show. But you're actually seeing like all the behind the scenes, all the day to day, and you're seeing the real struggle. And this has been a struggle for us, to be honest. I mean, I don't know who wouldn't struggle to lose their home and stuff. Like, that would be really hard. We are focusing on the things that are most important in our life, which is our marriage and our children. And farming is important to us, but it's not the most important. And fixing our house is definitely super important to us, but doing things correctly and doing things in a way that preserves our relationship, preserves our children's relationship with us, is the most important. We will be back here full-time very soon. Yes!
We'll see you in a video pretty soon, hopefully. I've been struggling with that.
Videos? Well,
Yeah.
You've been working a lot.
I've
I mean,
been
our
working a
videos
lot.
will be more consistent as spring comes
And as
we're
we're
back
working
here.
on the house.
Everything will be back to not normal.
Well, thanks for joining us. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
See you soon!